Several people are not going to be able to attend our October 22nd TED meeting with our check-in with our TED rep. So I'm going to send out this quick little tutorial to help you be able to check in with TED to make sure that we are complying with all of their regulations. So if you are doing TED Ed curriculum in your classroom, you will need to make sure that you have registered and signed up to have the TED curriculum that they have newly created. Once you've signed up for your TED curriculum, they're going to have a page like this for you. And over here on the right-hand side, there are going to be some purple boxes. And once you've done the things in the purple box, it'll check them off. So on my account, I've already done these things. It's just a getting started menu that can facilitate you as a classroom teacher, even if you're not a lead at your site for TED. The one thing that you do need to do if you are not attending the October 22nd meeting with our call-in is you'll need to set up a call-in. So you're going to click on this box, which will be purple, and up will come some dates for you to select from, dates and times, and you'll just click on what's going to work best for you. And it's about a 5-minute call-in check with TED Ed representatives from the team. And once you've completed all of that, then you are ready to go and you have complied with all of the things that we need to do for TED. So I hope you'll find this helpful. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact any of the TED team leaders here up at Ed Services. Thank you.